Otto. Introducing a powerhouse in precision work. Otto's Screwdriver Kit, delivering a maximum torque of 4 N. Customize your torque effortlessly using the 3-stage rotary knob for precise adjustments. Equipped with 25 durable S2 steel screwdriver bits, this tool handles various tasks with ease. Seamlessly switch between electric and manual screwing as needed. Illuminate your workspace with a built-in ring LED light for enhanced visibility. Apple iPad, 10th generation. Much like the AirPods, the iPad is an all-around great tablet choice for most people. If you're unsure what kind of tablet to get, you can't go wrong with an iPad. This particular generation features Apple's A14 chip, a 10.9-inch liquid retina display, 64 GB of storage, Touch ID, and more. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus robot vacuum and mop is designed for both wet and dry floor cleaning. It easily converts from an all-floor vacuum to a hard floor vacuum and mop with a simple switch of the bin, providing versatile cleaning for any type of flooring. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus robot vacuum and mop effectively pulls in everyday dirt and debris with its 4-stage cleaning system. It features unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Ability Portable Power Station AC, $180 $549. This is a fantastic deal for anyone looking for a versatile outdoor power solution. Whether you need a generator for backup power or to bring on an outdoor excursion, this offer could save you nearly half off. The portable power station provides $1,800, can power a mini fridge for 16 hours, features multiple outlets, and charges from 0% to 80% in just 45 minutes. Better Southeast Solar Powered. If you have a pool, this device could save you both money and time. Cleaning a pool is never fun, so why not let a robot handle it? This solar-powered robotic pool skimmer offers 30 hours of continuous cleaning, removing animal hair, and more. Outfitted with a special UV-resistant coating, this device is protected from damage caused by the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Equipped with 4 water-depth bumper rods, it uses ultrasonic radar to sense obstacles and reroute itself, ensuring the entire pool is thoroughly cleaned. Rove R2 4K Dashcam. The Rove 4K Dashcam records videos in stunning 4K resolution and boasts features like Super Night Vision technology. With built-in Wi-Fi functionality, you can instantly manage your recordings on your smartphone. It includes built-in GPS to record your location and speed, parking mode, motion detection, or 150 degrees wide-angle lens, G-sensor technology, loop cycle recording, emergency video look, time-lapse video, and slow-motion video capabilities. It supports up to a 512 GB micro SD card for storage. After receiving over 35,000 Amazon ratings, it maintains an impressive score of 4.3 out of 5 stars. Winix 5500-2. This air purifier features a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. It also includes a washable AOC carbon filter made from activated carbon granules to remove household odors. The plasma wave technology acts as a permanent filter, safely breaking down odor, allergens, chemical vapors, and pollutants without emitting harmful ozone. Smart sensors monitor air quality, and auto mode adjusts the fan speed accordingly, while a sleep mode ensures silent operation at night. The purifier is CADA rated for rooms up to 360 sqft, making it suitable for medium and large rooms such as kids' bedrooms, family rooms, and kitchens. Avid Power Cordless. Experience simplicity and functionality with the Avid Power Car air pump, offering peace of mind with its auto shut-off function. Simply preset your desired pressure level and begin the inflation process. The car air compressor automatically shuts off once the desired pressure is reached. Powered by a 20V rechargeable Li-ion battery pack and also compatible with DC 12V power supply, it ensures convenient inflation. With the 12V DC adapter as an alternate power source, you can handle emergencies on the road without worrying about battery depletion. Apple AirPods. The AirPods 3rd Gen represent a significant leap from the 2nd generation model, featuring a redesigned look and notable upgrades like adaptive EQ, MagSafe wireless charging, and spatial audio support. The sound quality is excellent, though the absence of active noise cancellation and proper noise isolation slightly detracts from the overall experience. While considered pricey for a headset without ANC, the AirPods 3rd Gen is an appealing choice for iOS device users, as it requires an iOS device to access its full range of features. The fit is comfortable, and the headset integrates seamlessly with iOS Siri and Apple Music, enhancing the user experience significantly. Cavey 100 feet LED strip. Enhance your space with these versatile 100 feet LED strip lights, perfect for decorating larger areas like bedrooms, kitchens, stairs, and more. Control via the Cavey Home app within a 100 feet Bluetooth range. These lights offer extensive customization options including music modes, scene modes, and timers, making them ideal for Halloween decorations. Sync the RGB LED strip lights to your music with a built-in high-sensitivity mic, offering dynamic modes for lively rhythms or calm modes for relaxed gatherings indoors. Choose from 64 scene modes across 4 categories: nature, festival, life, and emotion, to match any mood or activity, creating stunning backgrounds for your home. Sony 1000XM4. Experience the 1000XM4 headphones, where advanced noise-cancelling technology meets exceptional sound quality and a suite of intelligent features for an unmatched listening experience. These headphones boast industry-leading noise cancellation that ensures crystal clear clarity for every word, note, and tune, regardless of your surroundings. Equipped with additional microphones, they excel in isolating and producing high and mid-frequency sounds, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your audio experience. The Apple AirPods Max. Apple's over-ear headphones, the AirPods Max, are currently priced at $394, down from their original list price of $549. This represents a significant drop from the lowest previous tracked price of $430. In our review from their 2020 release, they earned a respectable score of 84. Despite the initial caveat of their high price, we highlighted the AirPods Max for their excellent and balanced sound quality, along with effective active noise cancellation. Apple's promise of up to 20 hours of use on a single charge was also confirmed in our testing, making them a compelling option for audio enthusiasts looking for premium performance. Apple MacBook Air 2022 M2. That sounds like a great deal for the MacBook Air. Prime Day often offers some excellent discounts. If you're looking for a budget-friendly MacBook with solid performance, the M2-enabled MacBook Air seems like a good choice, especially at that price point. Asus Zen XT8. The Asus Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 mesh system sounds impressive, especially with its easy setup, strong performance across multiple bands, and additional features like built-in security software and parental controls. Having a dedicated 5 GHz band for backhaul is also a significant advantage for ensuring stable connectivity throughout the home. It seems like a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their home Wi-Fi network without compromising on speed or reliability. Asus Jet Fan 2.0. That fan sounds incredibly handy. Its versatility for cleaning various items around the house, coupled with the convenience of USB-C charging and adjustable intensity, makes it a great tool to have. It must be really satisfying to use it for such a wide range of cleaning tasks. LG C3 Series 65. The LG Old Evo with the A9 AI processor Gen 6 sounds impressive. The combination of old technology and the AI-powered processor seems to enhance both picture quality and performance significantly. The brightness booster feature addressing luminosity and contrast in well-lit environments is particularly noteworthy, ensuring a clear viewing experience across different lighting conditions. The AI-assisted deep learning for optimizing picture and sound settings based on content adds another layer of customization and quality to the viewing experience. It sounds like a great choice for those seeking top-notch visual and audio performance in their TV.